It's 12:57 p.m. October 2nd, 2014. I'm thinking about a few things. Like, should I let them get away with their abuse of frequency, their abuse of sound and color, their abuse of technology? Should I let them get away with playing a game with me? Should I let them get away with trying to make me into some sex toy? Should I let them get away with trying to turn me inside out and invert me? I don't think so. Because I'm a lover of justice. And like I said, the earth is here to time indefinite, even forever. No matter what type of surreal software, virtual reality they're trying to promote and create. There's a scripture in Isaiah that I'm going to probably put in the link in my description of this video so y'all understand that the things you have not been told, you will see. And you will understand how simple everything really is. But no, I don't think I'm going to let them get away with this. And I tell you one thing, people, those of you who are lovers of nature, I mean really love nature, like trees and plants and animals, and wish to do no harm to your fellow man or your neighbor, you really have nothing to worry about. But those who have unwholesome agendas that deal in control and greed and envy and jealousy, who have very serious personality problems, and who have entitlement issues, who feel they're entitled. Maybe because they work a 9-to-5 job. Maybe because they own businesses or corporations. Maybe they feel entitled because of the color of their skin. They have everything to worry about now. Because the likes of those kinds of people, the earth doesn't need, no matter what color they are. You used your technology to interfere with my healing process, and then robbed me, mocked. And I have nothing for those who have done that, but to see them gone. So people, be blessed, and anybody that's really in love with nature and who doesn't have a materialistic problem, I don't think you should have anything to worry about. Have a blessed day.